Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela. Kublai.
Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm hapdeng ka jingiphuh iphieng mynta ka sngi kala pynkup Burom ïaki hajar lais ba Ngut ki Samla pule kibala pyndep ya ka jingpule bapher na ka ni skulbah haka jing yalang ban rakhi ya ka 8th Convocation ki hajar lais ba Ngut ki khana kibala sya pynkup Burom ki kentup ya ki khat Ngut ki sekolah kibala pyndep ya ka PhD ki hinyo Ngut kibala pyndep ya ka postgraduate degree bat kisan spa khat Ngut kibala pyndep ya ka undergraduate degree haka ni kasngi la pynkup Burom kerpang ru ya Dr NN Dutta da ka Honorary Doctor of Science ubadai unong seng bat Chancellor jong ka Assam Downtown University ya Manas Choudhary Editor Burom jong ka Shillong Times bat Menteri Burom ka tanat pule putih ka jela Meghalaya da ka Honorary Doctor of Literature bala pynkup Burom da ulat ka jela Meghalaya Satya Pal Malik kum ukongsan lasak hiru hakate ka sing da ka jingya dan lang umala ka madremboy Menteri ka tanat pule putih ka jela kum usembut kongsan haka jingya dan lang bat kiwei ki kraw perkhat
and to share your joy on this memorable day in your life. It is indeed a matter of pride and privilege for me to participate in the 8th Convocation of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. At the outset, I congratulate each one of the graduating students for your outstanding performance and success as you have completed your degree program from this prestigious institution. I also congratulate the faculty members and guardians for shaping brilliant minds. Today, a total number of 1,305 students will be receiving degrees at different levels in this convocation, including 50 PhD scholars. Let me also congratulate the entire Ustm family for becoming first private university from Northeast India that has been ranked grade A recently by NET and to be ranked among the top 200 universities of India by NIRF 2022. I would like to congratulate Padmashri Manas Choudhary and Dr NN Dutta, the recipients of Honorary D.Litt and D.Sc conferred in recognition of their outstanding contributions in different fields. I wish that they will continue to work in their respective field and achieve greater heights.
I saw the different personality in all nowadays. I see good for example. Number one, we got 8 years old Dr NN Dutta, who in last more than 40 years after he graduated, served the society in different capacity and community in receiving honorary degree today. And also Manas Choudhary in the last 41 years, he has served in different capacity, and the 20 years old student being awarded the degree. What is the link between this? These two personalities, through their service after getting degree, they have been awarded the honorary degree. And you, through your hard work, perseverance, through your application of knowledge in the classroom, and through the working together with your teachers or professors, you have been awarded this degree. But this is not the end. a small window for you. Degree nowadays is just not the end of the world or contentment. This is just a small window. And to reach the goal, you have to struggle more. You have seen just last week, I read in the newspaper that for the course of 1 month, in railway, where more than 1 lakh posts have been advertised, more than 1 crore applicants. And in the list of those applicants, 1 crore plus, there are.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.